Hello 18! Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking this video. New update tayo at good news sa ating SB19 at 1Z Entertainment. May bagong partner at bagong kliyente ang SB19 at 1Z Entertainment sa isang international concert at event production. Narito at basahin natin ang post nila. Lunari Global new client, welcome to Lunari at 1Z Entertainment and official SB19. Excited to share that 1Z Entertainment has partnered with Lunari to accelerate global expansion and development for SB19 as the group continues its rapid rise on the international stage. SB19, the Kings of P-pop, is one of the most influential music acts to emerge from the Philippines, surpassing 1 billion Spotify streams. Their sold-out landmark concert, Wakas at Simula, the trilogy finale, marked a defining moment for Filipino music, becoming the largest single-day P-pop concert ever held. This year, SB19 will be performing at Lollapalooza, marking first act from the Philippines to play at the Premier Festival. They will also performing Summer Sonic in Japan. As SB19 enters a new era of global growth, we're honored to support them and 1Z Entertainment in unlocking opportunities and expanding their reach to new audiences and communities around the world. Nakaka-excite ito 18, talagang pang-international na at pang-global stage na ang ating mahalima. Ano ba ang Lunari? Narito. Lunari, specifically Lunari Global, is an international concert and fan event production company. For SB19, Lunari officially partnered with 1Z Entertainment, SB19's self-managed label, to accelerate the group's global development and expand their international reach. The Lunari and SB19 partnership. The strategic partnership was formed to support SB19's entry into a new era of global growth. Lunari Group handles the following for the P-pop group: international expansion, o diba, unlocking opportunities, touring coordination, and reaching new audiences globally. Global brand development, building their platform as they break into larger international stages and festivals. Oh my God, ito na talaga ang pinakamalaking blessings at partner na pang-international, talagang i-release na at i-proclaim ang ating mahalima bilang global singer sa buong mundo. O diba talagang nakaka-proud, ang daming blessings. Kaya naman congratulations SB19 and always keep your feet on the ground and be humble always.